Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and it is Tuesday, and I am heading to work. I just saw a beautiful bunny rabbit. That was cute. Alright, so it's been a good week already, but it's only Tuesday. I saw a meme, it said something like, nothing ruins a Friday like realizing it's only Tuesday. Amen. That is the truth. I feel like I still have sleep in my voice. I'm not really tired anymore, but whew. I am going to stop at Starbucks this morning and get myself a coffee because I didn't feel like making one this morning. Turning on my air because it is warm. The road is still closed up here and I still take this way. Crazy. I'll just go through that neighborhood. That's what I usually end up doing. Okay, so how has your week and your weekend been so far? Your past weekend? Let's see, what did we do? It was Father's Day, so we just kind of had a relaxing day. We went to church and then to Starbucks, and then Dennis wanted to go to Harbor Freight, which is like a tool store, and it just happens to be right by the Joann's. So I went to Joann's and I ended up buying more yarn. I know I am in a yarn. I did this once before where I just like focused on, I need more yarn, and I need nothing. I absolutely do not need more yarn, but I love it. And they had really good sales, so I'm like, all right, I'll get the stuff that's on sale. And so I did buy a little bit, but I also bought fabric at Joann Fabrics because when I went in, they had Snoopy fabric that had 4th of July on it. Or it was like 4th of July decorated with Snoopy. It was so cute. So I made myself a table runner. I have never done that before. And I put quilting underneath it because I thought that that might be nice to have something protected. That's really not a necessary step. If you just take the fabric and, use 2 pieces of fabric, that's probably a better way. And you could do, I'm learning, so I'm teaching you guys what I've learned. You could do 2 different fabrics so that you could make it reversible if you wanted to, or you could make it so that there was like a little band of fabric on the side and then your focus in the middle, which is what I wish I would have done. But you live and learn. And but I did buy enough fabric to do 3 different table runners. I did the Snoopy one, and then they had one with chicks, and since I call my daughter Chicken, I thought that was adorable. I think I turned the wrong way. Oh well, we'll figure it out. And then I got one with lemons on it. I thought that would be cute for the summer. Just to have out after 4th of July. So, and maybe watermelon would be a better choice at that time. I don't know. Oh, here's the start again. It looks like I just did a circle because here's the little pool is coming up. I did the wrong way at Albuquerque. So that was, it was neat, and I think that table runners are super easy to make, so they're super expensive sometimes when you go to buy them. So what else did I get at Joann's? I got a flag for, like a little garden flag for the front yard. I have a summery one on it now, but they had this one for $3 and I had a bicycle and it says welcome. I just thought it was cute, so I went ahead and got that one too. Somebody has their grill out. And then I think this is what I didn't do. I don't think I turned here. What else did I get? Oh, I got a couple kitchen like tea towel things like dish towel things. They are really cute. One says something and the other one doesn't say anything. I don't remember what it said, but they're both really cute. So I got those, and they're really thick and nice, but they're more decorative than they are useful. I mean, well, that's not true. They would be useful. I hate using stuff like that because then you ruin it and it's not that cute anymore. So I don't know. We'll see what the fam does. I'm sure that it won't be as cute for as long as I'd hope. There's a puppy dog, and he's all white almost. And he has a little black spot on his tail. Oh boy. He's really cute. I think he's a pit bull, just like Taz, except for he's white. Okay, I duded it. I am on the right road. That was cute. He's like all white and he has just a little black spot on his tail. I mean, he might have more black. I couldn't see all of him. To get a good look, I really need to go pet him and give him a kiss on his head. So what else I guess I was finishing up what I got at Joann's. And then I did get some yarn. They had some red and white yarn that was really cute, like mixed, like in one skein it was red and white. And since my son is going to IU and it's red and white, I thought that I could make a scarf or something. I don't know if he'll wear it, but maybe I could even wear it when we go to the football game or something. I don't know. It was on sale and it was red and white and it was cute, so I got it. And then what did we do? We just came home and I knitted, and we've been watching Breaking Bad. I don't know if I told you guys that we've been watching that, but we have been watching Breaking Bad and we just finished it last night. And well, Dennis finished it the night before, but I finished it last night. Oh my goodness. It was intense. So at first I didn't think I would like it because it's about making drugs and it just didn't seem to be appealing to me. But upon watching it, I realized that it's really okay. I mean, I went from the main character, I went from liking all right to not liking at all. And there are definitely characters in there that you're like, oh my gosh, I want to smack you. But all in all, it was a really good series, and I would recommend it. And then there's a knockoff series from that, so we turned it on last night, but I can't even say I watched any of it. I was so tired. I was ready for bed, and so there was that. But yeah, I don't know what Dennis watched, if he finished it or not. We were trying to finish, and we watched a lot on Sunday of the Breaking Bad, and I fell asleep on the couch and I couldn't finish it. So that's when Dennis finished it without me, because he couldn't stop, he said. It was so good. And it is really good, except for it's very intense and it's violent too. So if that's not something that you like, then don't watch it. And then tonight we're going to go to Topgolf, and we're going to try that out. It is a Pampered Chef party tonight too, and I totally forgot when I was making reservations, but all of the reservations for Father's Day weekend were taken, so I had to do the next best. And Monday night we had some plans, so we decided to do it on Tuesday, and I wasn't thinking that it was the Pampered Chef party. And gosh, there's like a dump truck in front of me and he's like spewing off stuff. I'm trying to get around him. Yuck. heard it. It sounded like rain was falling, but it wasn't. It was from that dump truck. So what else? Can't really think of anything else. That's a lot. We have a lot going on, it feels like. Busy 2 nights this week. Crazy. I remember when my kids were young, I would think, gosh, I hope I have 1 night a week free is what I would aim for. Like, I really wanted to be able to not have anything going on at least 1 night a week. And now it's, if I'm busy 1 night a week, it's, oh, I got something going on. So like I said, I have been knitting a lot. I'm knitting 2 things right now. I have a baby blanket going on, which I don't really even know if it's necessarily a baby blanket, but it's a small blanket like that. And then also they called it something, but it's like a thick scarf that just goes from one side to the other side, and then you put pockets in it, and they call it like a book lovers something. I don't know, but it looked really cute. So I have that going on. I feel like this thing is losing its strength and it's like letting things fall. So there's that, and they're both, I'm using some yarn that I got at Joann's for, let's see, no, I'm using yarn that I got at Hobby Lobby for the reader's scarf thing, and that is, I like it. It's like orange and it has a little bit of brown in it, and a little bit of blue in it, and it's really pretty yarn. And it was only $1.67 maybe a skein. It's gonna take about 5 skeins, but still that's really inexpensive. And then the baby blanket, I'm using a yarn I got at Joann's, and I think it was $6.99 for the skein, but it was like, it's one of those really big skeins. I think that 1 skein will make 1 blanket, I think. Now it's a small baby blanket, it's not, or a lap blanket or something like that. It's not a big blanket, but still, that's pretty good. So that's fun. That's the knitting fun I'm having. And it's crazy because I want to just knit, and I don't know. What else is going on? Yeah, this is definitely loose. Getting stuff ready for college for the kiddos. And I guess that's about it. So I guess I'll let you guys go. Everyone is doing well. We're all trudging away. And yeah. So I guess I will talk with you all soon. Have a very fabulous week. And happy Tuesday. Bye-bye.